Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Alex with Fish Stream Realty. I'm your go-to Houston realtor and real estate expert on new construction. Now, what we do on this channel is we tour new construction homes and communities for you guys to see, and we also talk about builder incentives, upgrades, and more. So before we jump into this stunning home tour, if you're looking for a new construction home in the Houston and surrounding area and you want access to builder incentives, upgrades, and expert guidance at no cost to you, go ahead and hit that subscribe and like button and text me directly using the number in the description. I help buyers like you every day find the perfect new build and save thousands in the process. So this week we're in the Grange community in Katy, West Katy, Texas, a gorgeous new master plan community located just right next to I-10 and 99. You're super close to Costco, H-E-B, and Katy Asiatown, and this is the same developer as popular communities such as Jordan Ranch, Riverstone, Sienna, and Cross Creek Ranch. Now, the builder that we're looking at today is David Weekley, and they have floor plans ranging from 405 all the way to 471. Those floor plans start anywhere from 1647 square feet all the way to 2614 square feet. Now, as a reminder, those are just the base price to build. Okay, so whenever you decide to build a brand new home on a new lot, there's going to be some price changes that may affect the final price of your home, right? So there's different elevations. Some elevations cost more than other elevations. There's also a lot premium. Say, for example, if you want a lake view, that's going to cost you more money. If you want a bigger driveway, that's also going to cost you more money. And the last thing that may affect the price of your home are the upgrades. Generally, I see anywhere from 4 to 9% of the base price in upgrades. So you might upgrade to, let's say, real wood, or you might want those quartz countertops versus granite countertops. You might want the bigger driveway, you might want the higher ceilings, or you might want that extra bedroom. Okay, so 6 to 9% of the base price goes into upgrades. Now the HOA is $1,320 annually and the tax rate is 3.267. So the floor plan that we're looking at today is the Conroe floor plan by David Weekley. Those start at $449. They have a square footage of 2276. It's a one-story home with 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. So as you can see with this floor plan right now, it's a very open floor plan. I love the custom cabinets on the kitchen. The flooring is luxury vinyl, and they have these accent walls in the living room right here, as you can see. Now, just as a reminder, these accent walls are going to be an upgrade. Ceilings are nice and high, about 10 feet. I would say minimum 9 feet whenever you do decide to build these homes, but this model floor plan has a nice 10-foot ceiling. You can see right here there's a lot of natural light coming in. Now let's take a look at this office space right here. Again, you have that accent wall with that really nice shade of green color right here. It's not a private enclosed office, but you will have that option to make it a private enclosed office space if you want to. Now right here we have the mudroom, a little bit of extra storage space right here. More storage in this closet for you guys. Now this is the mudroom. Washer and dryer fits pretty comfortably. Have some extra shelving for you to store things. And you have that nice little window in that's bringing in some light. So right over here is their sales office. It just looks like this because it's a model home. Generally the garage would be right here. You have 2 bedrooms, secondary bedrooms, and a full bath right here. Again, a lot of natural light coming in. That light fixture is not doing this room any justice because the window is just so big and a lot of light is just coming in. Now this is the full bathroom right here. Conveniently located between the 2 bedrooms. Alrighty, got a nice view of that. Okay, here's their other bedroom right here. You can see that David Weekley, they like to promote their energy efficient homes, especially here in Houston, Texas. It gets really hot very easily outside. And if you're living in a home, you want to live in a home that can comfortably cool the home down, right? You don't want to spend too much money on that electricity bill whenever you have the AC turned to, let's say, 72, maybe 70. All right, this is the construction that they use. So most builders offer a 1-to-10 warranty, which is a comprehensive new warranty program offering different levels of coverage over a 10-year period. The first year, this covers defects in workmanship and materials like paint, drywall, flooring, and trim and structural. 2 years covers defects in major home systems such as plumbing, electrical wiring, HVAC, and then the 10-year covers the major structural defects such as foundation, load-bearing walls, beams, and other load-bearing components that may affect the home's integrity. So right here, second full bathroom has a full shower, full-size shower, and then here's the third bedroom located right next to the primary bedroom. See right here, we got some decent closet space. The carpet feels so nice and lush on my feet. Okay, we're working our way to the primary bedroom. Right here, you have that accent wall. Looking up, you have that designer beam, high ceilings. Again, lots of natural light coming in right here. Love the color combos right here. Light wood, white wall with a gray accent wall. Just looks really nice with that black light fixture right there. And notice those 2 accent windows on the accent wall. So much light coming in this home. Okay, nice little backyard. A lot of privacy right here. Now, let's work our way into the primary bathroom. So here's the primary bathroom. Something that I've been noticing with a lot of new construction homes are checkered floors are kind of coming back into style now. So if that's your thing, you can do that. Obviously, there's other options for flooring whenever you build out your home. But I am starting to notice in model homes, a lot of builders are starting to put that checkered pattern. All right. Now this is a full size, really big shower. Okay, a lot of space right here. And they also have that overhead hanging up top. So if you're a fan of, kind of having that rain feel, you can do that. And you do have an option to build a bathtub if you want to. So private enclosed toilet, and then right over here you have your walk-in closet, a decent amount of space right here. Lots of shelving for you guys. And then you have your linen closet right here. Okay, that's extra storage for y'all. Alright, let's walk back out. Let's take a look at the living room one more time. So these are sliding doors right here. Alright, so I really enjoy, I don't know about you guys, but I really enjoy having easy access to the backyard from the kitchen. Me personally, I like to cook on the grill outside. So being able to go from the kitchen to the grill really fast is, kind of one of my top priorities. Now you can see right here, they have these accented ceilings as well. And then you have the option to install a fan outside if you want to. So this is a fully covered, beautiful patio, brick on the outside, all brick. So that's it for today's home tour. If you're even thinking about buying a new home in Houston or the surrounding areas, now is the time. Builders are more motivated than ever, and I can help you maximize these incentives and negotiate on your behalf. If you enjoyed the video and you want to keep up with new construction in Houston, make sure to click that subscribe and like button for more weekly home tours. And if you want a private showing, or if you want to see if this builder fits your needs, text or call me today. My info is right here on the screen and in the description below. One last thing, drop a comment if there's a neighborhood or builder you want me to tour next. I'm excited to see what you guys are interested in, and I would love to provide more info for you guys to see. But until then, I'll catch you guys in the next video.